Hello students, so this class we will discuss about how to find the area of a scalene triangle. In the previous classes we have discussed how to find the area of equilateral triangle as well as the isosceles triangle. And in this class we will discuss how to find the area of scalene triangle by using a special formula that is known as Heron's formula. Clear? So by using Heron's formula, we not only calculate the area of scalene triangle but also calculate the area of both equilateral as well as isosceles triangle. So let's see how we can calculate the area of scalene triangle. Okay. So first of all, we will take a scalene triangle. Suppose this is a scalene triangle. Okay. Scalene triangle means it means if all the sides of the triangle are on equal length, then it is known as scalene triangle. Okay, so here three sides. Out of these three sides, the side which is just in front of the angle A. Okay, the side. This is the side which is in front of the angle A. You can see this is the angle A, and this is the front side. This side is known as small a. The length of this side is known as small a. Clear? So you can write that BC is equal to small a, and the side, this side SC, which lies in front of B. See, this is the B angle. Now SC is the front side, so this AC side is known as small b. Okay, so small b is the side which lies in front of the angle B. Similarly, can you say this side is known as small c? Why? Because this side lies just front of the angle C. Okay, so BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B, and AB is equal to C. These are the units. Okay, B units and C unit. Clear? Now, what we will need to find? Now we will find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of the triangle. So, perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter means the total length required to fence the triangle. That means in order to fence it. Okay. आरो जदि हमें ओडिया मीनिंग कहबा हमें ताको बाड़ दबा बुझिया लागे. So in order to fence it, how much length is required, or the sum of all the sides. Okay, the sum of all the sides are called perimeter. So it has three sides, so we need to find that sum. So that are AB plus this BC plus now CA. This is the sum of three sides. Okay, or you can say this as A plus small b plus small c. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter means the sum of all the sides or the length need to be fenced. Here, now we need to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, or you can say it as half perimeter. Half perimeter. Okay, so this is the perimeter. Suppose the perimeter is 30 cm. Suppose, okay, just suppose. So we need to find the half perimeter, or you can say it semi-perimeter. Okay, if it is a circle, then what is the semicircle? This is the semicircle. Okay, similarly, if this is the perimeter, we need to find the semi-perimeter, that is the half of the perimeter. If perimeter is A plus B plus C, then what is its half? Its half is A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is the half perimeter. Clear? And this semi-perimeter is abbreviatorily named as S. Okay? Okay, this S comes from the word semi-perimeter, S. So S means total perimeter. S means A plus B plus C is what? This is perimeter by 2. Okay, if in this case perimeter is 30, then what is the S or semi perimeter? 30 by 2, that is 15. If S will be 20, sorry, the perimeter will be 20. And what is the value of S? S will be 20 divided by 2. Suppose perimeter is 20, then what is the value of S? S is perimeter by 2, isn't it? So perimeter is 20 by 2, that is 10. Clear now? So this is the process how we can calculate the semi-perimeter. Okay, now we will find, our main target is to find the area. Okay, so what is the area formula? Now I am writing the area formula here. The formula of area is square root under, okay, this is the square root or root over S into S minus A whole into S minus B whole into S minus C. Okay, so this is the area formula for scalene triangle, not only for scalene triangle but also you can use it for isosceles triangle as well as equilateral triangle. So the area formula is square root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is what? We are acquainted with S now. S is semi-perimeter. And A is what? Here A is BC. B is what? B is AC. And C is what? C is AB. Clear? So, you need to remember this formula of scalene triangle's area. Clear? Now I will do some problems relating to this formula. Okay. So, let us do a problem. Okay. So, in question 1, we have to find the area. Okay. If the triangle's dimensions are given, dimensions means all the 3 sides are given. Clear? So first write down what are given in the question. In the question is given that small a is how much? Small a is the length which is lies just front of the angle A. This is the angle A and its front side is BC. Okay, so this BC is known as A. So small a is 40 meter. Clear? Next, small b. This is angle B, so its front side is AC. So this is small b. So small b is 24 meter. Small c is C. This is small c, 32 meter. So we have the dimension of the triangle. Now we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is the sum of the sides. Okay, that means you can say A plus B plus C. So here A plus B plus C, that is how much? 40, 30, 70, 90, 96 meter. Clear? Now we have to find the area, but before finding the area we have to calculate the semi perimeter, that is S. S is the semi perimeter. And how can we find the semi perimeter? Semi means half, perimeter means half of perimeter. Okay, so semi perimeter is half of perimeter. Half means perimeter divided by 2. Okay, so here the perimeter is 96 divided by 2, that is 21, 24, 28, 48 meter. Now here it is. So this is S. Now we can use the formula of scalene triangle. Okay, what is that? Area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole square root. Clear? So is equal to whole square root under, here in the place of S we can put 48, then into S minus A. That means S minus A is 40 whole into S minus B. This is S minus B is 24 whole into S minus C. C is 32. Okay. So substitute their values. Now 48 remains as 48 into 48 minus 40 is 8 whole into 48 minus 24 is 24 whole into 48 minus 32 is 16. Simple. Now you have to find the square root of this. How? By simply factorizing them. Okay. How? See, 48 can be factorized as 2 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. So 2 2 2 2 3. So you can write. See, I am writing this here. 1 2 3 4. 2 2 2 2 3. Clear? Now 8 can be factorized as 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 2. So into 2 2 2. Clear? Now 24. Factorize 24. 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole into 16. Now factorize 16. 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, 2 1. How many 2's? 4 2's. So this is the factorization of all the terms. Now find the square root. See how many 2's are there? See, for this 2 2 you can write 1 2. For this 2 2 you can write 1 2. For this 2 2 1 2. For this 2 2 1 2. Again 1 2. For this 2 2 single 2. And for this 2 2 single 2. How many remaining are there? 1 3 2 3. So for 2 3 then write a single 3. Okay. Now the answer is 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 2 ja 64 2 ja 128 into 3. 128 into 3 is 384. Since the unit is meter, since we are finding the area, so it will be square meter. Okay, so you can write hence the area of the triangle is 384 square meter. Okay, now it is clear. So this is a simple process. You can calculate the square root by simply factorizing them. Okay, but you have to remember this formula, area formula. Clear? Now it is clear. So coming to the next question, but we have to find first. Read the question. The question in the 2 number asks us to find the area of the triangle. Okay, we have to find the area of the triangle. What is given? First write down what is given. It is given that AC. Okay, AC means what? AC means small b. So small b is given. And this one is given. This is what? See? Front of A angle. So this is small a is 8. Okay. And what is not given? And one more thing left here. The perimeter is 32 centimeter. It is left here. Okay. So one thing is not given here. AB. AB means what? AB means small c. Small c is not given here. And what? One more thing is given. The perimeter already given here. Perimeter. Okay. That is 32. Okay. This is centimeter. Now we have to find the area. But the area formula is square root under s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So we first found, or we have to find s. S means semi perimeter. Okay. But for semi perimeter we need a, b, and c. We have b, we have a, but we don't have c. So first find that c now. Okay. How? Since what is given? Perimeter is given. As we know, what is the formula of perimeter? A plus B plus C is equal to 32. Now, A is given, B is given, C is not given. So we can find the value of C. Minus 11 plus 8 is 19. When 11 plus 8, 19 goes to right hand side, it will be minus 19. So C is equal to 1, 3, 13. Okay, clear now? Now we find the value of C. It is completed. Now next find what is S. S means semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. What is the formula of semi-perimeter? The formula of semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2. Okay. So S is equal to perimeter is how much? Here it is given. That is 32 divided by 2. 2 to 6. 16 centimeter. So we get S is equal to 16 centimeter. S is found out. C is found out. A is given. B is given. Now we will find the area. So formula of area we will put here as area formula is S into S minus A into S minus B whole into S minus C square root. S means here S is 16 whole into 16 minus A is 8 whole into 16 minus B is 11 whole into 16 minus C is 13. Clear? Now write down this 16 whole into 16 minus 8 is 8, 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 13 is 3. Okay, now we have to find the square root. How? By simply factorizing each terms. 16 can be factorized as how? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 into next 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2. How? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 5 and into 3. Okay. So there is 2. So single 2. For this 2, single 2. For this 2, single 2. But here there is no 2. No 2 2s. No 2 5s. And no 2 3s. So they are remain single. So put them inside the square root. 2 into 5 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into square root of 5 3 is 15 to the 30. So answer is 8 square root of 30 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter. Clear? So this is our area of the scalene triangle. If one side is not given but the perimeter is given, then that one side can be found out, okay, by subtracting the sum of these two. See, the sum of these two from the perimeter, it will be 30. Then you need to find the S 16 and put the formula, you will get your result here. Clear? Okay. So now coming to the question number 3, where we have to find the area of the triangle of some dimension is given. First, identify which type of triangle it is. You can see in this type of triangle there are two equal marks. The two equal marks represent that it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, since it is an isosceles triangle, so if it is 6, then it is also 6. Clear? Now all the 3 dimensions are known to us. So you can write here small a is equal to, how much small a is this? 8 cm. Small b is, this is capital B, front of it is SC, so small b is 6 and small c is also 6. Since it is an isosceles triangle, if it is 6, it is also 6. Okay. Now find the perimeter P. I am writing just P only for perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, that is A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C, that is 20 centimeter. So this is our perimeter. Again, what we will find next, that is semi-perimeter S. Semi-perimeter. The formula of semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2. Perimeter is 20 by 2, that is 10. Okay. So what we find? We will find that S is equal to 10 centimeter. So now find area. The area formula is area square root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So here s is 10 whole into 10 minus a is 8 whole into s minus b, s minus, okay, b is 6 whole into s minus c, 10 minus 6, c is also 6. So next, that is 10 whole into 10 minus 8 is 2, 10 minus 6 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, okay, is equal to. Now factorize 10. 10 can be factorized to give 2 into 5, okay. So write 2 into 5 whole into 2 is factorized as simply 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. This 4 can be written as 2 into 2, okay. Now for this 2 you can write single 2. For this 2 you can write single 2. For this 2 you can write single 2. Now this 5 remains single. So answer is 2 to the 4 to the 8 root 5 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter. Hence we find the area of the triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. Don't think it is a scalene triangle, it is an isosceles triangle. That means this area formula holds good for scalene triangle as well as isosceles triangle, also for the equilateral triangle. Okay. Now coming to question number 4. First write down what is given in the question number 4. In the question number 4, what we have? It is a triangle. Okay. And you can see there are two similar marks here. That means it is an isosceles triangle. Okay. What is given here? Only BC. BC means what? BC means what? Small a. Small a is given 4 here. But do we have B? No. Do we have C? No. We only know the single length of the single side. We do not these two sides. Okay. And in the question I have also again left something, that the perimeter is equal to 20 cm. I have left this question. Okay. Unfortunately, now A is given, B is not given, C is not given, and what is given? Perimeter is given. Okay. So perimeter is given how much? 20 cm. Okay. Now since it is an isosceles triangle, that means this side must be equal to this side, or you can say this C, small c, this is small c, is equal to small b. Okay. Suppose I can take, let small b is x. And what is the value of small c? It is also x, because it is an isosceles triangle. If it is x, then it should be x. Okay. So as we know, the formula of perimeter is a plus b plus c is equal to 20. And I have taken b as x, so that c is also x. So a is 4, b is x, c is x, that is 20. 4 plus x is 2x is equal to 20. So 2x is equal to 20 minus 4. So 2x is equal to 16, implies x is equal to 16 by 2, that is x is equal to 8. Clear? Now find the value of x. That means we have taken b as x. So b is how much? 8, and c is how much? Similarly 8. Clear? Now we find that the value of x, it is 8, here also 8. Now what do we have? We have a, we have b, and we have c. We have also perimeter. Now we need to find s, that is the semi-perimeter. Okay? S is equal to, the formula of S is perimeter by 2, implies S is perimeter is 20. 20 by 2. It is 10. And now we find that the value of S. Now everything is found out. Now calculating the area, because here we have to find the area. Now the area of the triangle formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole square root. So that is S means 10 whole into 10 minus A. Find A, that is 4 whole into S minus B, B is 8 whole into S minus C also 8. So final answer is 10 into 10 minus 4 is 6 whole into 10 minus 8 is 2 and 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, now square root. Okay, factorize 10. 10 can be factorized, here see, 2, 5, 5, 1. So 2 into, I am writing this here, 2 into 5 whole into 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 2, 3 is 6. Now there is again 1, 2, another 2. See, 10 is 2 into 5, 6 is 2 into 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now find the square root. See how many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 2, 2 you can write single 2. For this 2, 2 you can write single 2. But 5 remains inside the square root because it is only 1 5. And there is also only 1 3. So result is 2 to the 4 square root 5 to the 15 square centimeter. Okay. Now our target is fulfilled and we find the result that the area of the triangle, that is the isosceles triangle, is 4 root 15 square centimeter. Okay. I forget to write the perimeter here, that is also given in the question. Okay. So by this process you can follow this process to find out the first two dimensions, that is small b and small c. From there you can find out the S, that is the semi-perimeter, and use the formula of area of triangle and you can get your result. Okay.